Hello everyone, it's Jack from Vanshades. Today we're installing Window Pod H as a full-size panel, which is for the passenger side rear quarter on a short wheelbase. So we supply two slightly longer tech screws with this one for the vertical fixing point. They're 57mm. So take one of those. We've got these two vertical fixing points in here and here. This is still quite loose, so we're going to fix the bottom of the window pod. Make sure we push that into the window recess like so. And then get your tech screws. These are the slightly shorter ones at 50mm. And we can put one in the middle as well. Next, to fix this part up here, we're going to use these smaller self-tapping screws. And you just want to make a incision in the carpet first. That's called blind fixing. We're going to cut a small triangle into the top corner of the pod here, peel the carpet back, and then put the screw in. Okay, now we've got the top half of the product, so we're going to fix down here. About here is fine. And just smooth your carpet back over. Finally, another fixing down here. Exactly the same process as before. And that's your H panel installed.